So they're working hard all along the beach, trying to restore it from the damage that occurred a couple of nights ago. A number of palm trees have fallen over, the roots not able to hold them into the wet sand that got washed away in the deluge. Again, more evidence of the storm damage. Collapsed pavement. Trees had their roots exposed, so they may or may not survive. It will take a while for them to get back on top of this and restore it to how it was. These sandbags have offered some protection to the pavement, but gouged a hole out of the sand here, and it looks a real mess. Having said that, the sea itself in this part of the Gulf of Thailand, around Pattaya Jomtien, is not exactly clear. It's not a sea that you could trust with your health. I think that a lot needs to be done to raise the water quality so that people can swim in safety without contracting bugs that upset stomachs or cause problems with ears and throats. Remains to be seen whether it will be done. Yet another point that's been breached, exposing cables, pipes, more debris, litter that's been carried off of the streets, plastic bags, other waste. Many of the people here seem oblivious to it. They're happy to sit out and enjoy the gentle breeze blowing in from the Gulf. Oh, the storm proved too much for the top half of this tree, so it's been aggressively pruned, but at least it will recover. So that's one positive we can draw.